Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be solving an AI generated Rubik's cube. Um, I've actually already done like a little bit of it. I've already done a little bit of it. I'm almost done solving it. I just have to do these two edges, and then I'm done. Well, I have to do these two edges and then the top. And it would be easier if I had a real one, but I'm doing the challenge, so I need to swap these two. So I have to do this up. It's so difficult to turn because it just turns on its own sometimes. So up, left, down. Oh, and now we got this one. So this one can just be like, right, that one's that. Now, up, left, down, down, right, and then this is up, left, down, right. Boom. I got that edge piece in. And next up is this one. So, crap, stop. Stop. Keeps turning. Up, left, right. And this side is this. Okay, I did all I did the first two layers. Let's go. I did the first two layers. Finally. That took like ages. Okay. Next up. Okay, let's go to the let's turn. So let's turn the top like this. And this side, then do up. Okay. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, and then boom. Okay, I did it. I did the cross on the top. So let's move this side. Erno Rubik. Oh, this is so hard at it. It's so hard when it's turned at an angle. Why make it turn? Okay, whatever. Up. Let me do a soon. I have to do a soon. And then down. And then I think go again. Go up. I don't know. It's harder because I don't actually see the actual cube. So it's more difficult. Yes, I got all of it. I did it. Next up is what's next up? None of these corners are in their correct spot, so let's fix that. Actually, where did I get this online Rubik's Cube? Actually, I got this on Scratch. And it's pretty weird, but it's like I'm still amazed. Like I can't even do this in Scratch. This is too difficult for me. For me to do it in Scratch. For me to make a Rubik's Cube in Scratch. But it's definitely impressive that the person that made this cube in Scratch is probably a genius. And I'm surprised it's not Griff Patch that made it. Because, like, Griff Patch made Scratch in Scratch. No joke. He made Scratch in Scratch. So, I'm almost there. I just gotta do another one of these, corner swaps. And then, boom. All the corners should be in their correct places. Yes. Up, then left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Switch that. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Switch. Up, left, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. I'm almost done. I just have 2 more turns. Boom, I did it. I did it. I did it, finally. Oh, it's so hard doing it with AI generated. I did it. Let's go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this Scratch solving a Rubik's Cube. I'll see you later. Bye.